Hello friends, I am Sumit Gupta, a swing trading coach, trainer and an author. I've been trading in the stock market for last 15 years and my mission is to help 1 lakh young traders become financially free using swing trading as a tool and vehicle for them to have what they want in life. In this video, I am going to differentiate between investor and trader. A lot of traders who get into trading or a lot of investors who get into stock market, they get confused between these two terms a lot. And it is very important to understand the difference. When you are starting to get into stock market, you have to first of all understand whether you are an investor or a trader. So let me first define, I'll try to define it in a very simple way. Who is an investor? An investor is someone who buys a share and for a long term, which I might define anywhere from 1 year to 3 years or more. 1 year or longer, that's what I would say, long term. And they expect two things to happen in the long run, which is basically one, they can expect the share price to go up, and secondly they can also expect the dividends on that whenever the company declares those dividends. So I would say investor is someone who is looking at it from a 1 year to 1 year plus kind of a horizon. When I talk about the trader's objective is to make money immediately. Means he is not concerned with how long does it take. So what he does is he has a cost price at which he buys the share, and then he has a target price at which he is going to sell. The moment the target price is achieved, he will get out of it. Normally a trader would be holding the stock or any share or any trade for anywhere between 1 day to maybe 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, depending on his horizon. Normally the kind of trades that I take range between any day between 1 day to 7 days, maximum 10 days, sometimes 2 weeks. That's the kind of positions that I take in swing trading. So before you start, you have to be very clear whether you're an investor or a trader. I've seen when I meet and I talk to a lot of traders, what they do is while they want to trade, but they become investors. What do I mean by that? That is when they take a trade. So let's say they bought it at 100 rupees and the target is 110, right? And there's a stop loss also as per the trading plan which is there. If the trade doesn't go their way, they keep holding it. Okay, the price will go up sometime. It might at their target price. That's not what a trader does. That's what an investor might do. But as a trader, you have to be very clear that you have to follow your trading plan. I hope it helps you. And to understand how you create a trading plan, you can look at my other videos wherein I talk about it in much detail. So you may subscribe to my private group on Facebook, the link to which is given below in the comments. All the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.